Hello, Stampers! Just thought I would take a second and go live with you all today. I received my February paper pumpkin box in the mail this week, and I have not had a chance to open it. So I thought, hey, I'll have you guys all join me and help me open it up. So if you're ready, I'm going to flip my camera around and get you all hooked up here. And let's open this box and see what we have this month. I'm so excited about it. I have seen a little bit of a sneak peek online, but I haven't watched the Stampin' Up! Video of it yet, which is always kind of exciting. So just so you all know, Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription that Stampin' Up! Has. And what you do is every month you get a surprise box in the mail. We're never really sure what's going to be in it, although the majority of the time it is cards and things to make different kinds of cards. They're usually a ton of fun and great stuff, and everything is included in your kit except for your adhesive. So that's something that is fantastic because it's really easy to take on the go with you, take it to your kids' soccer practice or gymnastics meets or whatever, and take it on the go with you. I like to take a couple of them out of town when I go with me because it just gives me a little something to do when I have some downtime. So it's always going to come in this red box that says Paper Pumpkin on it, okay? When you open it up, everything is always going to be wrapped up in this blue tissue. Now this is a little spiel that's coming with it now because they are getting ready to celebrate their 5-year anniversary. And it's going to be so much fun because they're going to be giving away a free gift next month. So like this says, if you are interested, go on and subscribe by March 10th so that you can get the anniversary box and the free gift. So I will include in the comments down below here my personal link for you to subscribe and join up under me, okay? And so if you open up your tissue paper, every month you get some type of a stamp set, okay? And it's usually got different sentiments in it. This one has some flowers in it. It says, thank you, friend, celebrate your anniversary. Is that what that says? Yes, anniversaries, I think is what that says. Ooh, that's too hard to read for me. And this says, hello. Let me take this off and see if that'll help me be able to see it. It's not so shiny. Nope, we'll have to get it inside and look in it. Okay, and you always get some kind of a Stampin' Spot, okay? They say that they do not repeat colors of Stampin' Spots in 1 year's time. So that's kind of nice. So then you end up with a whole bunch of ink pads, little ink spots at the end of the year that you can keep using. All right, so, ooh, what a fun kit. So it is cards this time. Okay, it's called Wildflower Wishes, okay? And in your kits every month, you get, like I said, all the supplies needed to complete your cards or your projects, except for adhesive. But one great thing about it is it always comes with instructions, okay? And I just love it because if you want to follow their instructions completely, you can, and so that your cards end up looking just like their cards. Or if you just want to wing it and play with it a little bit, you can do that too and have your cards come out to be something that you want, okay? Or that's more fit your style. So here is some thread. Here are, oh, I have a glue dot stuck to my thumbnail. Here is some dimensionals, and look at this whole sheet of glue dots that you get. I love it because there's always supplies left over. Ooh, look at the envelopes are lined. Those are fancy. Love those. Love it, love it, love it. Here are some little pearls that we have for our cards. This looks like these are the actual card bases. So it looks like it makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. Okay, and it looks like these are the different fronts. So there's some diagonal stripes, some little diamonds, and some flowers. So probably 3 of each design. Ooh, those are beautiful. These are the little tags that are going to go on the fronts of the cards. Look at this fun stuff. So these, oh, those are stickers. So they are cardstock stickers, and it looks like you're gonna lay that on top of these so that that design is gonna show through there. Those are beautiful. Love them, love them, love them. And then there's some vellum in it, in the kit, and some say celebrate, and some say thank you, and there's some more vellum pieces. So that is absolutely fabulous. I cannot wait to put these cards together. Again, here is the picture of what they look like. Thank you, friend, and celebrate. And that is so exciting. It looks like the fronts of the envelopes. You can put stickers and stuff on those on the fronts. So that is fabulous. So again, next month in March is when they are celebrating their 5th anniversary. So you do want to be sure and sign up by the 10th of March so that you can get the special kit and also the free gift. Last year they gave us, in fact, a couple of years, they have given us free stamp sets as our gifts. So it's really kind of nice. So be looking in the comments below. I will put my link so that you can sign up underneath me. And if we just go in and we can put your, open an account for you. You can either do 1, 3, 6, or 12 months prepaid, or you can just we'll do your credit card and they'll just automatically charge your credit card every month, whichever way is the most convenient for you. So that is it. Thanks so much for stopping by.